I just got home from work, got to take a 5-minute nap before Stephanie handed off the cutest little boy ever. Now we are having a little snuggle and cuddle party while I wake up, and Steph runs an errand. Up next is your dinner, buddy. Do you know, Daniel, there's all sorts of YouTube drama about kids, like what we should be showing to kids, when kids are okay to be in videos. I don't have really any well-developed thoughts on this yet. I think you're cute, and I love showing you at the world, but if that opens you up to predators, then I don't like that. So, what should we do? Maybe we turn this into a home movie channel and we make it private or something?
So I really messed up recording the vlog a couple days ago. I was about to edit it, and I have an hour and 18 minutes of footage. That's probably too much footage for a vlog. I absolutely love this Manfrotto tripod. I just filmed a time-lapse of me editing the vlog in this sweet setup. And the GH5 is actually pretty good. It has a time-lapse mode that you can go into where it takes a bunch of pictures and then automatically stitches them into a video. Hopefully the footage is good. Thank you so much, beautiful, for taking care of our living room and having a plan. And we've now gotten rid of the coffee table, so we're one step closer to a master vision that has the baby's play place over in the corner. The couch is moved over, treadmill's gone, table's gone, and this dresser thing is over in the corner. Is that about right?
Yep.
Thank you, beautiful wife, for a wonderful dinner. I was editing the vlog from yesterday, and I think I just had a giant breakthrough. So as you know, I've been having audio qualities.
What are you doing over there? Making noise while I'm vlogging?
So as I've covered several times, there is a bunch of background noise and interference between my Rode microphone and my GH5. And I think I'm realizing that it's actually caused by the house. When I was editing yesterday's footage, I noticed that when I came closer to one of our outlets, for example, there was more interference. So right now I'm really close to an outlet, and let's see if there's a clicking noise. And now let's do the exact same thing next to a wireless router. So I think all of the clicking wasn't actually a problem with my camera or my microphone. I think it was a problem with my house and the massive amount of electromagnetic interference that our house puts out. So now that we figured out what the interference is, I just Googled it, and now that I know that it's Rode Video Mic Pro Wi-Fi interference, I found a whole bunch of results talking about this. Why couldn't I have found those results before when I didn't know what the issue was? But now I have to figure out what to do about it. Do I get a new microphone that's maybe better shielded or something like that? Or do I just give up on that sort of microphone?